What is going on, guys and girls, and welcome back to my channel. So, this is our part 3 and our final little video of upgrading my crap Amazon to good stuff. Cooper's here with me, as always. So, we have to install today a Whelen dash light. See on the back there, it has the Whelen. This is a red and amber dash light. I'm sorry. Yeah, red and amber. Yeah. Duh. And these are Fenix lights. I'm not exactly sure which ones these are. I don't remember the call. These are very bright. They all work. I just tested them all. I have 2 red and 2 white of these. So I'm going to place the grill lights. So after I get rid of this crap, I will just do something. I don't know what I'm going to do with these. Probably put them on a shelf somewhere. I'll throw them somewhere. And then I will put like red, white, red. So I think that'll look pretty good. So that's what we're gonna do. So first we're gonna start on removing these. Alrighty, guys and girls. So this is what's going on right now. I just got them installed. I've got them wired up, thanks to my little assistant here. I'm playing the flash patterns now. I think I'm gonna stick to something like this. It's not something that's, I don't know, it's just kind of weird. You can definitely tell it's definitely outdoing that Amazon BS down there on the plate. I'm going to leave them 2 lights down there for now. I'll probably end up taking them off sometime soon. However, I just don't feel like dealing with it tonight, and it's really, really, really cold out still. So, next thing we're going to work on is that dash light. So we have the Whelen one there. Or Whelen. I don't know, someone called me out on it in the comments the other day. I still don't know which one is right, but anyway, so let's get to it. Alright, guys and girls, so I got her wired up. I'm gonna have to figure out something about these because this looks awful. I don't know if I'm gonna have to pop my panels or what, but I also don't know about the airbag situation. So I'll have to play with these for a little bit, see what's up. But this is the pattern that I had set it on. Just something slow so it doesn't really mess with the dash cam. I mean, it doesn't look awful, I suppose. The red and amber. I mean, it's something different, so the red and white. But the red and white still definitely overlooks the red and amber. But, I mean, I'm satisfied with it. What is, I'm really impressed with Fenix grill lights. I truly am. Them things are spitting a lot of power out. Just comparison, if anyone's wondering why you don't go cheap compared to name stuff to Amazon shit, this is why. Just look at the difference in both of them. So, I mean, granted, these get people's attentions, but just look at that. So, don't do what I did. If you are going to buy this, if you're going to buy this stuff, buy good stuff. Don't half-ass it. Go cheap, like I've done, and then have to end up actually paying for it again later on in the future, whenever you realize that you have really messed up. Still don't know what I'm going to do with these old ones. Probably just sit in my room or something until I decide to do something with them, however. I might do a giveaway. I don't know. I truly don't know. I mean, they honestly just need to be thrown away, truth be told. But, I don't know. They still work. So, but I will do a POV updated video sometime in the near future. I hate to, see, I didn't want to do another one after I put the visor lights in the back bar because, you know, like, I don't want to constantly throw out the same videos and it just be like some clickbait BS. So yeah. So I'm really satisfied with it. So something I'm not happy about is the mounting thing, the mounting way I had to go with the dash light. However, it's just being held by tape right now. I'm not very happy about that. I probably am going to have to find a bracket or something from Whelen themselves meant for that talon, and that is a talon, as you see probably on the back of that. And them grill lights are Fenix grill lights. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching. As always, tell me what you think in the comments. video suggestions, whatever you guys want to ask me, feel free to ask me below. Love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.